Good morning, students. Yesterday, we have studied the chapter A Long Walk to Freedom, and that is completed. So, today we are going to start a new topic, that is preposition. What is a preposition? Preposition is a part of speech. A preposition may be defined as a word or a group of words, for example, at, in, out of, etc. It can be used before a noun, pronoun, gerund, etc. to show its relation with the another word in a sentence. So let's see some example. For example, they came here at 5 p.m. They came is the part of one sentence, and at 5 p.m. is also a part of sentence. At is connecting both the sentences. At is showing the relation between came and 5 p.m. That at what time they came? At 5 p.m. Another, he was born in 1980. She went out of the room. Now let's study the types of preposition. The first type is time of preposition of time, that is at. At is used to indicate when something happens. We use at with the clock times. Note it that we use at with the clock times. Periods of the year, periods of the day, festival, etc. But remember, we don't use at with morning, evening, afternoon, etc. Now let's see some examples. The train left at 8 o'clock. She used to go to temple at Dussehra, that is a festival, and Diwali. He came here at the weekend. She married at the age of 20. I called on my friend at night. Remember, we cannot use at before the morning, evening, afternoon, but we can use with the night. We rested at noon, dawn, and dusk. Okay. Next now, in. In is used to indicate the period of time. Period of time which something happens. We use in with the centuries, years, seasons, months, periods of the day, morning, evening, afternoon. For example, English literature flourished in the 16th century. She was born in 1990. They visited the place in summer. That is a period of time, summer. Summer we have 3 months. So if we cannot say particular that in December, in January, we are not saying that. We are saying full summer. So it is a period of time. He called on me in the evening. The theft took place in the daytime. My father went to the USA in October. It all happened in 3 minutes, 3 hours. Days, it's the fixed time, that 3 hours, 3 days, 3 years. Okay,